Everyone's talking about stocks, but buying them directly on NGX seems complicated and risky. What if you could invest in top Nigerian companies like MTN, Dangote Cement, or even Apple through Cowrywise? Let me show you the smarter way. Number one, you are not buying individual stocks on Cowrywise. Instead, you are buying baskets of them through equity mutual funds, also called ATFs, and ETFs actually. This is your safety net. So here is the Cowrywise stock pathway. Number one is the ARM equity fund. It invests in a curate it invests in a curated list of top NGX companies. You are betting on the Nigerian economy's growth with experts picking the players. Number two is the global diversification basket, actually called the US or China ETFs. For example, S&P 500 ETFs. Now, this is very crucial because with Nigeria volatility of the naira, having some assets in dollars is a key hedge. This lets you own pieces of Google, Tesla, and Amazon with naira from wherever you are in Nigeria. Now we have the third one, which is the funds like the Vitiva, VETIVE, Vitiva Industrial ETF. So you can also call it industrialization of banking. What we mean is this: you will use the core and explore method, core CORE and explore method. You make a call that is 70% of your stock money in a broad fund like ARM equity. Use the explore, use the remaining 30% for global ETFs or sector funds. But here's a warning: stock funds can go down. So the key is time in the market, not timing the market. It is time in the market, not timing the market. So you invest consistently every month, come rain, come shine. So you're not a stockbroker, you're a slice owner of many pies through Cowrywise. Start with your core, 70%, add consistently, and let compound interest do the heavy lifting. If this simplified guide helped you, smash that like button